Okay, so we're going to test this new Matco out on this Expedition, this Ford Expedition. Truck just came in. We're gonna see if this Matco can rip these truck tires off, man. Let's see. Damn, that's what I mean. See how aggressively it rips off these lug nuts, man? That's crazy, man. Something this little. Telling you, this is the dude fucking. Nothing has been able to stop this thing yet. I'm trying to see where it choke up there. See? I thought it was about to choke right there. This motherfucker pulled it straight off. Yeah, this thing is ridiculous, man. This thing is fucking ridiculous. And it got a fucking adapter on it. This thing is a monster. And I'm gonna keep on testing it to prove so.